I don't know if I want to do this.
You don't want to do this?
No.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Brian, so for right now, you are going to be placed on arrest for DUI, okay? This is our safety. You guys are not allowed to just walk as freely as you
So, like...
Okay, if you keep this up, you're going to be detained.
He said I'll be detained if I keep walking between.
I need you to back up right now.
I don't feel detained right now. Here, I'm going to put my hands behind my back. Does that make it easier?
Right. Yes. I don't know if I want to do this.
You don't want to do this?
No.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Brian, so for right now, you are going to be placed on arrest for DUI, okay? You're not going to be spending...
If you choose to refuse the breathalyzer or blood draw in Arizona, your driver's license is automatically suspended for 1 year by the Department of Motor Vehicles. Even if you're not found guilty, you'll still have to petition the DMV for reinstatement of your license. The same does not apply for the standardized field sobriety dance or tests. Refuse the breathalyzer or blood draw at your own driver's license risks.
Brian, so for right now, we're going to go over to my car real quick. Is there anything from your vehicle that you want to know?
No.
Okay, perfect. We're going to go over to my car, okay? Let's go right here for me, Brian. You're going to go ahead and separate your feet for me, okay? Any reason we're cutting between the cop cars?
What?
Any reason we're cutting between the cop cars?
Because I can?
Just ask me questions. Can you separate your feet for me, Brian? Okay.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. All right. Anything in your car's going to focus 67 or? No? Okay. So we're getting ready to go down like session, so it's secured.
Walk through. He trips.
No. Hey, no. Hey, you guys can't walk in between our vehicles.
Yes, we can.
No, you cannot.
Yes, we can. It's a public sidewalk.
No.
It's
You
a
guys-
public
we're
sidewalk.
conducting an investigation. This is our safety. You guys are not allowed to just walk as freely as you
So, like,
Okay, if you keep this up, you're going to be detained.
detained for what?
Right in there. I'm going to buckle you in, okay, boss? Okay. We're here for your safety, officer. Come on, what you afraid of? Just a camera.
He's just misinformed.
If I keep walking between the vehicles, I'll be detained. So I just... He said I'll be detained if I keep walking between.
I need you to back up right now. Yes, I need you to back up now. Okay, so for right now, we're going to go down to the receipt. This is a very quick process, okay?
Yeah,
For right
call the
now,
supervisor,
keep it
bud.
right here. He's on his way.
Good.
Do you want your cell phone?
Shut up until then. You understand? I'm giving you a direct order. You shut the f until your supervisor gets here. You understand? Good boy.
What's your name and badge
Good
number?
boy.
Peterson 100267.
Yeah, I know who this is.
Okay.
There's a lot of slurring in the
I'm gonna go ahead
Peterson
and
right
lock
there.
that. Is there?
The name.
Peterson, I'm gonna go do a little. Grab his wallet.
Peterson, just go search the vehicle, man. Do your job. Leave us alone.
Got you, man.
The door's locked, right? The partner's not over here anymore. At this point, you're just exercising your ego, right?
Yep.
Nope.
What did you tell my friend? You're going to
Ego.
detain him if he keeps walking
Right, 'cause
through
he's
here?
fucking short.
Does that fly for me too? Does that fly for me too, bro? This is called America, homie. I'm free. You guys better remember that shit. Be quiet when we show up. If he says something, you need to tell him to be quiet.
You're Chris?
I am.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, Chris. We never formally met. My
No.
name's Captain 100442.
Nice to meet you. Appreciate you being cool. Peterson over here, though.
Why would you detain?
He just said he's going to detain us for walking through the vehicles. I mean, do you know how dumb that sounds? This is a sidewalk right here. You know that, right? You know this is a sidewalk, right? I'm exercising my right to utilize the sidewalk right now.
Or physical force. I did not do anything.
Excuse me, guys. I'm walking on the sidewalk.
Yeah, let me step aside so I don't obstruct your...
Please don't impede my traffic. Right now, I'm utilizing the sidewalk. I don't feel detained right now. Here, you want me to put my hands behind my back? Does that make it easier?
Peterson arrested.
I don't think I'm doing anything illegal, so you have no PC. Reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime. Do you have reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime? I don't think so.
Who's this?
Uh-oh, guys, here comes
Strachey?
another one. Be careful.
We got Strachey coming right now?
Here comes another one.
Or is it the LT? Is it?
What's up, Strachey?
You ready for round 2, boss?
It's 'cause it's cold out here.
What's up, Strachey? Is this...
Are we doing a Mesa right now?
Are you really gonna do that? He is.
Oh, bro, you're just asking for it, aren't
Your
you?
ego and stretches as far as you stretch.
I'm going this way. You
Go that way.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to go this way, and then I'm going to go back that way. I'm going to wait for you to get a square set up, homie, because that's just one piece of tape.
Set up a perimeter.
You got to set a perimeter up.
I don't know where to stand.
It's not a crime scene until there's a perimeter. Hey, you're getting a complaint now, bud. Hey, Paul Blart, you're getting a complaint now. You understand? You don't have a crime scene. This ain't perimeter yet, you stupid. Shut up, fool. Shut the... Do something dumb. I'm asking for it. Why do you think I'm out here? I'm asking for it. Do something dumb. Please. Come on. Idiots.
I need to see a perimeter before I know where to stand.
Quit dropping the tape, Butterfingers.
It's called nervousness.
Shit.
Got this poor guy.
You're worthless, dude. You know that?
I've been watching the Mason videos.
I know. That's exactly where he's getting this at.
He's coming for you, bro. For me? He's coming for you, bro. Oh, not for me. I'm cold. I don't want to move. Step on my front. I'm giving you a lot more to step on my front.
Check this shit out. Big up the hey, this is the same company that does
Oh, epic fail.
the U-line's the same company that makes the urinal
There's
stuff that
another
you
one
piss on.
coming.
Epic fail.
Hey, check this shit out. Look at this.
Now, I think it's important to note the supervisor immediately put up tape when he showed up without talking to anyone to find out what was even happening. They already put the arrestee in the back of the cruiser and are simply inventorying the arrestee's vehicle before leaving. I mean, this tape is totally arbitrary, and this dude is super nervous. He keeps dropping the tape. He won't talk to any of us. What the hell? Who do we got showing up here? We're surrounding you. You're surrounded. Give up now. Put your hands in the air, officers. Put all your guns on the ground. You're detained. Man. Hey, what's your name?
What's up?
What's your name?
Rodriguez. It's rough.
Hey, Rodriguez, what's up?
Never mind. Give you all the crime scene tape. You're good.
Ray Rodriguez, you can say thank your supervisor right here for your face being on the internet. Say thank you, supervisor. Say thanks, boss, for being such a...
When we sell it on the internet, we make lots of money off of it. Please.
I like your
Or
name
just
and
leave
badge
like
number
a
on
just
piece
leave
of
a
tape.
little strand. Just a little strand.
Watch out.
Don't walk in between our cars. Oh, another one.
That position has gotten your gut too big and your ego too big, dude.
Hey, stop walking in between their cars. They told us already.
Or what?
They told us already, don't walk in between their cars.
Or what?
I don't know. It's something scary, though, is going to happen. I think it's going to be yellow tape. I'm so scared of the yellow tape. Oh, no.
Oh, we got another supervisor.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Wow, man, you guys really rubbed your nose in it again.
Hey, sir, before you get too far.
Yeah, what's your name and your badge number, partner?
Tomorrow, my hands are cold.
I got rubber gloves.
Supervisor, what's your name and your badge number? Well, give me a second. You could have already said your name by now. Don't violate your policy. You're going to get you in trouble, too. You ain't immune to your policy.
Don't walk in between the cars.
Don't walk in between the cars.
Whatever you do, do not walk in between the cars. That's bad news. Just fucking walk between cars.
Oh, we're in the street now.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, jeez. Uh-oh.
Ain't nobody broke the law. They can plot all they want.
Hey, guys, be quiet so my microphone
Their
can
tape
hear.
needs a little Viagra over here.
It's at this point that I went live because I thought that they were going to come over here and grab me up and arrest me. If they grab me back up and get a good angle of it. If he grabs me back up so I got room, you know what I mean? So I got room.
You got room, man.
Yeah, I got room to move, I know. Hey, did the other supervisor just skate off without giving his name? He sure did. What's that dude's name?
Who?
The supervisor.
Strocky?
No, the other one.
I had no idea who was here, boss. I'm sorry. I really didn't. I didn't see.
Guys, I think the crime scene's over. We can leave now. We can leave.
Roll it down, bud. I need your name. Hey, I need your name, dude. Hey. Name and badge number, partner.
Don't touch my vehicle.
I can touch it all I want. I didn't alter it. I didn't damage it. Shut the f*** and identify yourself, Hoyt. What's your badge number, Hoyt? You're going to get a complaint, Hoyt. I just touched it again. What's up? I just touched it again. What's up? Somebody's going to be famous again. Huh?
We wait for the retaliatory stop now?
Yeah, pull us over. Go ahead, fool. Peterson started it. He's the reason I'm out of the car. You're going to be famous again.
This is a crime scene. You don't walk in between our cars.
Bro, no, big boy was standing. That's when I walked up there. He turned around. He looked at me. And I could hear him. He was like, yeah. He's like,
Interference.
He said they're interfering.
Don't walk in between our cars. We get scared when you guys do that.
It all started because of me.
We'll put up the
I didn't know what was going on over
Yeah,
there.
tell everybody what you did.
Bro,
You're live.
I was standing there. They were over there. And I was like, oh, okay. So they're talking to them. I heard him tell him to move. And so I walked around the opposite side from where he was. And he goes, hey, come here. Hey, come here. And I'm just all like, I walked in. Hey. You know, you got to, you're interfering, backing it up. And then I just didn't move for a while. And I kept trying to tell him you're misinformed, man. You're misinformed.
So I walked through the vehicles, and he's like, hey, man, can you not walk through the vehicles?
Can they see your gun? Is that why they were acting weird?
No, it's underneath the other one.
Probably see mine.
Can they see your gun? Yeah, that's
Sometimes.
probably why.
I think they saw my wheel.
I kept adjusting it so it fit better.
So you would abuse your authority if I exercise my right? Whatever. I don't personally care what you sentence me to. I'm appealing everything today, so it's going to freeze whatever you sentence me to, and we're just going to kick it to a higher court. Because clearly this one is corrupt.
They turning our communities to hot blocks. Yeah, they got Glocks, handcuffs, and badges. They swearing that they hot shots. They want to lock us and throw away the stop. Watch, you know, direct deal, show you how to cop. Watch, cop, watch. Record them when a cop stops, and ignore the pig chatter when a cop talks. You don't need a top-notch camera, just a cop watch. You gotta know your rights or you lose them. So we cop watch.